4 chic ways to wear a latex skirt with a cozy knitted top. A latex skirt can look effortlessly elegant or completely out of the balance. The secret isn't the skirt itself, it's how you style it with the right knitted top. Here are 4 chic outfit ideas that create a polished, timeless look. Classic monochrome. Pair a black latex skirt with a black fitted turtleneck knit. Add a pointy toe, ankle boot, and a structured handbag for a sleek finish. Number 2. Soft neutral. Choose a cream knitted sweater or top with a chocolate brown or burgundy latex skirt. Remember that neutral shades soften the glossy texture and create an elegant contrast. Well, number 3 is oversized blazer. An oversized knitted top or sweater paired with a fitted latex skirt create beautiful proportions. Half tuck the sweater to define the waist while keeping the look relaxed. Last but not the least, office chic. Layer a tailored blazer over a fine knit turtleneck with a midi latex skirt. Complete the outfit with classic pumps and minimal jewelry. My dear viewers and subscribers, which is your favorite look from 4 looks? Share your choice in comments and follow for more elegant fashion inspirations.